This is the inside of an electric water heater. Worked on this a few years ago and finally this took a leak. Took it apart. There's the date code. 6/21 of 82. This is the electric one that was 220. It's got two thermostats. There's the anode that you take out, which has never been taken out, to halt corrosion, input and output over temperature, but looks like a pressure tank. And that developed a leak at the bottom. We took it out of the shroud just for kicks. I'm not sure what we're going to do with it. Thermostat's probably still good. We just put those on a couple years ago. It's got a rounded top. The bottom is concave. And that's where it developed a leak. At the bottom. Probably weighs about 30-40 pounds if I had to guess. There's it's got a tube in there. This one on the left, it's just the through hole goes through. This one over here on the right side has got a tube. I can put my finger and move it around. You can hear it. Turn the camera the right way. I'd say it's way down at the bottom. Dual thermostat. Of course, this is the drain. Standard American pipe threads. That's the pressure relief, of course. This is the one that's got the two thermostats, that it's got a deal where it kicks one on and then the other one in a sequence. I believe the cold water goes into that one, into the bottom. I may be wrong. Got to think about that.